This is system test 63 of the fire alarm system. I've made a couple changes, not really a lot. First of all, you can see I've still got the camera set up here. I've put a light on just to brighten everything up a bit. Because as you can see, the light is there, panel's there, I stand in front of the light. It gets a bit dark. I have added some new devices to the system. So yeah, let's crack on. So in here, actually I'll start backwards again. So down here we still have the Vulcan based sounder. I can't remember what brand it is. Still with the Apollo ionization, I believe. In here we still have the Apollo optical with the Firecryer Plus. Still got the Rafiki core point here, and still got the optical Apollo with a Vulcan beacon only, and also another Firecryer. This is the just Firecryer Plus again, obviously non-strobe unit. Now both the units are synced up, and you can't even tell there's two that's synced. So yeah, let's go ahead and test the system then. I won't put it into water test today. I'll do it full. I'll let it go. First off, the ionization.
Please remain calm and evacuate the building immediately.
Right. And first smoke. Let's do the second one. As you heard then, you can't even tell apart that that's synced up, which is good. So. Let's leave that a couple of seconds just to let the chamber clear out. I may install some, if I get some more Firecryers, I may install some more, so I'll see. But they are really good sounders, and that's only on medium volume, so they can go very loud. Obviously they do all have the other tones on them. Right, that should be sufficient time. I'll probably go off again. There we go.
Fire emergency. Please remain calm and evacuate the building immediately. Fire emergency.
As you heard, the bass sounder isn't on the loudest. I've turned it down a bit because I felt it was sort of trying to overpower the Firecryers. Nearly. Give it a couple seconds. Right, on to the next one. I'll pull that door to so you can sort of hear the... There we go.
Fire emergency. Please remain calm and evacuate the building immediately.
They probably could go a bit louder, obviously, for down here, but they're sufficient enough. I felt if I put them any louder, it would just be deafening while I'm trying to do a system test, or past deafening. So yeah, right, onto the core point. Well, I'll actually use the test key this time.
Fire emergency. Please remain calm and evacuate the building immediately.
So yeah, that was system test 63. As I said, I may make some changes. Just been, again, busy unfortunately, as always. I'm still considering putting a heat detector in this room that I've been saying for a while. I may put a fire crier up down here somewhere, so I'll see. But yeah, so yeah, that was system test 63 of the fire alarm system.